Alright, so today's video, I've already made a video about this new map and stuff, but I'm gonna be making a video on what this map has to offer. So, first you're gonna need a grappler or rockets. I wouldn't use rockets, I would just use a grappler. But once you're right here, there's like a hammock, I think, and then there's like a couch hanging from this. And then there's just like a bunch of these like tree leaves and stuff. And then right here is just like a hangout spot. But if you go in here, there's a whole like sit out area where you can like play the game. Well, yeah. And if you come up here, there's just like really nothing. It's just like hang out right over here. This is where I made my skydiving video. Right here. I can't, because this is like the highest I think. And I just basically just jumped off. But yeah. And then if you don't want to play uh this, you could just like, there's like kind of parkour, kinda. And then like, yeah. And I think right here it might be going to, yeah, I don't know what's gonna be right here. I know it's not gonna be mines because it's just like too glossy and too dark. But I think right here, I think is gonna be the mines because it has the keep out sign and the danger sign. And then right here, I think it's gonna be forest right here. That actually might be the thing. And I feel like they should have like a swimming update. So, like for the summer, they should have like a swimming pool, or like that place where you die in the water. They should make that like where you could swim and there's like fish, and like there's like a bunch of like rare stuff like treasure and like broken down sailboats or something. So that's basically what this kind of map has to offer, I would say. Otherwise, it's like kind of the same. But there is also a place under here. And there's also like the secret map, I would say, but not really secret. I need a flashlight. I'll scrap this. But yeah, it's like, just don't go under there because that place is a no-no. But yeah, this is kind of what the map has to offer. I think they're going to be updating this map a lot, hopefully. And yeah, I don't know where my friends are in this code. They're not the people I made videos with. It's like the people that I made like skydiving with that video. No, he's offline. I have too many people added. Yeah, I think his headset died, but make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I'm in my summer grind right now and I need to make more subscribers, so I'm just trying to post more funny content. And I was gonna make a Righteous Branches by Righteous is the song by Juice WRLD. I was gonna make that into skeleton taggers, but I couldn't because now it's blocked because the song doesn't allow anything above 60 seconds or like a minute. But now they don't allow that, so I'm just gonna end it. Yeah, so subscribe and give me video ideas. Or give me people. If you also meet me in a code, just friend me or anything. So, yeah, subscribe.